Being an imaginative and special token, Nexo can flaunt high utility, so it's nothing unexpected it has been very famous recently. Individuals are puzzling over whether it merits putting resources into Nexo and what's on the horizon for this money. In this article, we will show you our Nexo value expectation and offer why we think it is a wise speculation. Our constant Nexo to USD cost update shows the ongoing Nexo cost as 71 cents USD. Our latest Nexo cost figure demonstrates that its worth will increment by 0.63% and reach 71 cents by April 18, 2023. Our specialized pointers signal about the nonpartisan bullish 59% market feeling on Nexo, while the trepidation and eagerness file is showing a score of 68. Over the most recent 30 days, Nexo has had 16 30th green days and 4.43% cost instability, as indicated by the most recent information accumulated. The ongoing cost of Nexo is $72 cents, and Nexo is buy and buy position no. 96 in the whole crypto biological system. The dissemination supply of Nexo is $405,785,832.59, with a market cap of $560,011,011 Nexo. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has expanded by 1 cent in its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, Nexo has been in a decent vertical pattern, in this manner expanding by 6.75%. Nexo has shown areas of strength for extremely recently, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of Nexo has expanded by 2.91%, adding an epic typical measure of 2 cents to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now in the event that it keeps on developing. Nexo Value Forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Nexo costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Nexo will be 94 cents. The most extreme level that the Nexo cost can reach is $1.15. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 98 cents. Nexo return on initial capital investment 57.5% by Nexo value conjecture for February 2023 in light of the value vacillations of Nexo toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical Nexo pace of 74 cents in February 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at 68 cents and at 76 cents. Separately, Nexo return for money invested 5.5% by WALC 2023. Nexo value gauge digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their estimate for the Nexo cost in WALC 2023. The base exchanging cost may be 73 cents, while the most extreme could reach 80 cents during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Nexo may be around 76 cents. Nexo return for capital invested 10.9% by Nexo value figure for April 2023. Crypto examiners have really taken a look at the value variances of Nexo in 2023 and in earlier years. So the normal Nexo rate they anticipate may be around 79 cents in April 2023. It can drop to 76 cents as a base. The greatest worth may be 84 cents. Nexo return on initial capital investment 16.4% by May 2023. Nexo value gauge around mid-year 2023. The Nexo cost will be exchanged at 82 cents by and large. May 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Nexo worth to 88 cents. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than 78 cents in May 2023. Nexo return on initial capital investment 21.9% by Nexo value conjecture for June 2023. Crypto specialists have broke down Nexo costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to June 2023, 83 cents. The least and pinnacle Nexo rates may be 81 cents and 92 cents. Nexo return for capital invested 27.4% by July 2023. Nexo value estimate. Crypto experts expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the Nexo cost will be around 85 cents. In July 2023, the Nexo cost might drop to at least 82 cents. The normal pinnacle worth may be 95 cents in July 2023. Nexo return for capital invested 31.5% by Nexo value gauge for August 2023. Having examined Nexo costs, digital currency specialists expect that the Nexo rate could arrive at a limit of $1.01 in August 2023. It may, be that as it may, drop to 85 cents. For August 2023, the anticipated normal of Nexo is almost 88 cents. Nexo return on initial capital investment 38.4% by September 2023. Nexo value gauge around mid-2023, the Nexo cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of 89 cents. Crypto examiners expect that in September 2023, the Nexo cost could vary somewhere in the range of 86 cents and $1.04. Nexo return on initial capital investment 42.5% by Nexo value gauge for October 2023. Market specialists expect that in October 2023, the Nexo worth won't dip under at least 89 cents. The most extreme pinnacle expected for this present month is $1.08. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of 92 cents. Nexo return on initial capital investment 47.9% by November 2023. Nexo value conjecture digital currency specialists have painstakingly examined the scope of Nexo costs all through 2023. For November 2023, their estimate is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of Nexo will be around $1.11, with a chance of dropping to at least 91 cents. In November 2023, the normal expense will be 94 cents. Nexo return for money invested 52.1% by Nexo value estimate for December 2023 in view of the value vacillations of Nexo toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical Nexo pace of 98 cents in December 2023. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at 94 cents and at $1.15. Separately, Nexo return for capital invested 57.5% by Nexo value expectation 2024 after the examination of the costs of Nexo in earlier years. It is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Nexo will be around $1.40. The greatest expected Nexo cost might be around $1.65. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $1.44 in 2024. Nexo value expectation 2025 in light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Nexo. In 2025, Nexo is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $1.97 and $2.46, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $2.05. Nexo value forecast 2026. The specialists in the field of digital money have dissected the costs of Nexo and their variances during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2026, the base Nexo cost could drop to $2.90, while its most extreme can reach $3.51. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around $3. Nexo value forecast 2027 in view of the examination of the expenses of Nexo by crypto specialists. The accompanying most extreme and least Nexo costs are normal in 2027, $4.96 and $4.17. Overall, it will be exchanged at $4.32. Nexo value expectation 2028. Crypto specialists are continually examining the changes of Nexo. In view of their expectations, the assessed typical Nexo cost will be around $6.10. It could drop to at least $5.88. However, it actually could reach $7.21 all through 2028. Nexo value expectation 2029 consistently. Digital money specialists get ready estimates at the cost of Nexo. It is assessed that Nexo will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $8.47 and $10.33 in 2029. Its typical expense is normal at around $8.77.